Moving on now, Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister, has completed his 5-nation tour spread across 5 days, across 140 hours. That's the way the Prime Minister likes to work, doesn't he? He moved from Herat in Afghanistan to Switzerland, where he got the support for India's bid to the Nuclear Suppliers Group, then the big meeting in the United States, then to Mexico, and now he's back. Let's take a look at what he was able to achieve and what perhaps could have been those misses in this whirlwind tour.
Prime Minister Modi's been around half the world in 5 days. Air India One touching down at New Delhi in the wee hours of this morning as the Prime Minister returning from a jam-packed tour of 5 countries in as many days. A journey spanning 3 continents. The first pitch stop, Herat in Afghanistan, where Modi inaugurated a dam. Next, Modi hopped over to nearby Qatar, where he made a renewed pitch for investment to the oil-rich state. Then it was time for a Swiss stopover, as Modi made a huge push for India to be part of the NSG. From Geneva, the Prime Minister jet settled to the Washington DC for a record 7th visit with Obama. After 3 days in Washington, Modi journeyed to Mexico City, where he won the NSG assent from the President Enrique Pena. As Modi set about on his whirlwind tour, the agenda was clear: attract investment and win the nods of as many countries for the NSG.
Swami Vivekananda, to embrace humanity, was most famously
But aside from the diplomatic prowess, Modi also won over Capitol Hill with his rousing speech. And he ensured the Diaspora Connect was alive and well.
Gandhi's non-violence inspired the heroism of Martin Luther King.
Back home in India, Modi's breakneck diplomatic tour won the admiration of the RSS.
दुनिया के बारे में भारत का मन आज के समय क्या सोचता है, इसको ठीक ठीक उन्होंने साफ शब्दों में बताया है और भाषा ऐसी है कि लोग उसको स्वीकार करें। ऐसा करते समय जिस देश में बोल रहे हो उस देश का भी महिमा मंडन करते हैं, लेकिन वो स्तुति नहीं होती।
As Modi returns to India, he's clocked in 33,000 kilometers and proved that there is no such thing as jet lag when it comes to the global statecraft. With Gaurav Sawant in Washington DC, Bureau Report, India Today.